Howdy friends, strangers on the internet. We're at Quick Trip right now. We got the wood trailer for the first time this year. I re-greased the wheels. We got the wheelbarrow, some shovels, a rake, pickaxe, ladder, a ramp to get up in the trailer with the wheelbarrow. And also, we got Milo today. Say what up, Milo.
What up?
What up, what up? So we're raking this embankment all the way down. I'm just trying to get all the little rocks and sticks out of the way so we can throw new dirt down. Howdy friends, strangers on the internet. Look at that beautiful view. I don't know if the GoPro does it as good as the eye, but this corn is taller than me and I'm 6'2", so been a good year for the farmers, that's for sure. Day 2 out here, no Milo, but we should have Scotty with the dump trailer. Couldn't secure a skid steer, so what you're gonna be seeing is a whole lot of shovel work into wheelbarrows and then dumping it on the trailer. Luckily, I'm pretty sure Scotty's dump is a dump trailer, you know, I'm pretty sure. So hopefully we just gotta load it and don't have to unload it, but there's one of these big country grass hills we're gonna climb, follow the fence line, he says, and then once you do that, there should be a big pile from 80 years ago from where the farmers dumped all the rock and everything they found, so stay tuned. Scotty and the property owner doing a walk around looking at trees. Here we are. Big old dump trailer. And then set my water down. So we're coming back for the debris, as you guys know. I just picked up this little corner right here, put in the wheelbarrow. But while I was waiting on Scotty, I had about 20 minutes. This is why I gotta charge what I charge. I mean, I'm a big guy, so he wanted this raked added on, and I did all this in 20 minutes. Look at all these piles. And then he got here, so I haven't finished up like the last little bit, but it's a pretty good distance. Beautiful property we're on. So we're all loaded up out here in the hayfield. Hey man, you'll get a new windshield one day. Don't even worry about it.
No, I won't.
On to bigger and better things. Out here, we're driving through a hayfield right now.
Saying a hayfield.
Yeah, well, I'd say harvest. That's the pile, just kind of stuff growing around it. So we're gonna swing up, back up into the tall weed, and then dump trailer it. And this is why it pays to have friends with stuff you don't.
Hope you got all day.
I got all day, don't worry. I charge by the hour.
My actually fine too. Not good for us.
Probably have to peel the trees out, but I think the rocks probably made it. There you go. I hear it sliding. All right, we'll just throw all that kind of just like 2 feet back into the weed line right here. And job's close to an end for Scotty. I still got a wheelbarrow and shovel up all that pine needle stuff and haul that up here with the wood trailer probably. And I don't have a dump trailer, but maybe if I unhook it, it'll tilt backwards on its own or something. We'll find out, we'll find out. All right, well, what we need Scotty for with this trailer's done. We got all down here and all up there all the way past the house to the road done. And now what I got here early, so those pine needles, once Scotty leaves, I'll probably just back my trailer up and load them onto my trailer and then haul them up the hill. That was a lot of work, but we got this raked up earlier. I just cleaned up the piles. Oofda. But starting from after this tree up, I'll hold off because we're gonna clean up that whole back corner on a different day. But trailer's getting full. More debris than it looks like. That's about a cubic yard. Oofda. We are done for the day. That just took everything out of me. Been here for about 5 hours. Looks like these little kids are looking for a creek to go fishing in. I'll catch back with you when I pass them. All right, here, let me roll up my windows quick. So yeah, so yesterday we got pretty much everything raked up, and then today we got everything scooped up, got the branches hauled off. Then well, I was waiting on Scotty. He ran about 20 minutes late this morning. I raked all that pine needle into piles, and then once he had to take off, I just stayed and finished that by myself. And yeah, I don't know, I tilled up the tough spots, and we're not bringing dirt back. When you guys are watching this, just know probably on Tuesday I gotta have all 4 of my wisdom teeth removed. So yeah, yikes. I'm nervous about that a bit. I just don't want to be in pain for like 10 days, you know. I mean, I'm hoping 3 to 4, maybe 5, but they're saying, you know, with this many teeth, it could be a 8 to 12 day process, healing process. And then yeah, I don't know, I just bleh. They said one of my roots is in like the nerve line of my jaw or something, so like potentially there's always a potential, I guess, that like I could lose feeling in my jaw for up to a year. Hopefully not, I'll keep you all posted. But we're done for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers to more bids and vids. Stay hydrated, have a great day. We'll catch y'all on the flip side. Peace out.